I'm Gavin Bates, Community and Communications Manager at Workplace Law, with your weekly news update. Here is a quick lowdown on the latest news, cases and regulatory changes in health and safety, human resources and the environment. First, conference news. And Workplace Law is working in partnership with the British Institute of Facilities Management on a key facilities management event. nkFM 2012, with the theme Ideas for Change, How Great Facilities Management Makes the Difference, will take place on the 18th of June 2012 at the Royal College of Physicians in London. The news was announced by Workplace Law's Managing Director, David Sharp, in a speech at the BIFM Annual Awards last week, where he also presented the award for Communications and Marketing to HSS Hire. Last week, Employment Relations Minister Edward Davey suggested that low-paid workers may be exempt from paying the newly announced tribunal fees, while new research has revealed that employment tribunal claims relating to part-time workers have trebled in the last year alone. Jane Bond, Head of Human Resources at Workplace Law and a lay member of an employment tribunal panel, discusses the proposed changes to the employment tribunal system.
Mr Osborne has said that he's trying to protect small businesses. I understand that, but as a lay member, there are a great number of claims that are real and should be taken. If it means that people are unfairly dismissed or they're discriminated against, it's in a time when there's no money. I don't know how they're going to be able to afford £150 or £250. And also then it may mean that settlement is much closer to the time of a hearing, because the employers will wait to see if the employee's going to put up the £1,000 for a hearing. And that's probably more likely to happen in a discrimination case than it is an unfair dismissal. So I think, in a lot of cases it's going to mean that people who really should take claims are going to get barred from doing it because they haven't got the money to put down.
Following hints by the Chancellor of the Exchequer last week that the government may scale down the UK's carbon reduction commitments, the Environmental Audit Committee has questioned the government's decision to announce a review of the fourth carbon budget in 2014, amidst fears that it could be bad for business. The committee warns that backtracking on the government's green promises now would be a big mistake. Supreme Court judges have decided unanimously that the Scottish Parliament did act within the scope of its powers when it passed the Asbestos-Related Damages Conditions Act in 2009, legislation that offers those who have pleural plaques the opportunity to claim compensation. The Act has been subject to a lengthy legal challenge by a group of insurers, but now means people with this condition will be able to raise a claim for damages. Office workers have been urged to take action to avoid developing back problems as they spend longer at their desks than ever. According to research from the British Chiropractic Association, 51% of British workers suffer from some form of back pain, and the organisation stresses the importance of movement and alternating seating positions throughout the working day.